What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be talking all about systems. Yes. I know you guys couldn't wait for this one, okay? Because everybody seems to be inboxing me asking, Miss Johnson, how in the hell do you create a system? Some people even say, what is a system? What is it? Okay, I'm here to tell y'all what I feel it is, okay? I'm gonna give you my definition of it, all right? So my definition of a system is simple, real easy. It's a step-by-step process on how a certain thing gets done. Once you figure out how to automate that certain thing, you have then created a system, okay? So simple. That's how I feel. That's what I feel a system is, okay? For instance, you can create a system for each individual area in your company. Like, for instance, a hiring system. Once you figure out how the steps, your hiring steps, okay, you write all your steps down. When you automate that, you have created a hiring onboarding system, something that attracts the right worker to you and onboards them, and the whole thing happens without you. That's the big picture. You want to figure out how to get this shit done without you. Okay? So I have I gotten a little better with creating systems throughout the year. But most of you guys just starting out, you're not going to understand what your business wants in the beginning because you're not really running a business. Like, you're not in motion. I'm only speaking on my own experience. In the beginning, I couldn't create a system not knowing what my company consists of, what it needs, or how is my day-to-day. There was no day-to-day to, you understand? So I didn't really have an onboarding type of thing. I had to get in motion first. So what I mean by getting in motion is I had to actually do the work. Start hiring people, right? And whatever started to work really, really well, I decided to write down each and everything down. Okay, so this is how I'm onboarding people. Okay, this is how I just started documenting everything. This is my routine of bringing in the perfect candidate. Write down every single little thing, okay? And then once you got that system down, that's a system right there. That's your onboarding system, okay? You can actually pass that task down to your assistant or your virtual assistant, or they even have softwares out there that will automate some of this stuff. So it's all about automation. Once you just have to figure it out. You have to be you have to get really, really creative with this thing and just use your brain on how you can get this thing done without you. And just write down your steps. That's what I did. I had to write down each and every little thing that I needed. How did I know I needed a system for whatever area? Easy. For one, when I would start to get overwhelmed with tasks in my company. Like, if anything was too much, like if I'm doing too much of this little Tenachi task, somebody else got to do that task. Somebody is going to get it, okay? So I have to figure out how to pay somebody else to do all these little non-money generating activities that me, the CEO, should not be doing. You understand? So you should have a list of non-money generating activities. Stuff that need to get done, but it don't necessarily bring in income. For instance, on this list right here, cleaning having my worker clean something that is like a $200 unit, that's obviously a money generating activity. On this end right here, having someone create a flyer, that's a non-money generating activity right there. You you guys will get it later on in the future, okay? But that's the best way I can explain it to you. Me as a CEO, I didn't want to get caught up doing so many things that weren't bringing in money. I wanted to put all of my focus in money generating activities, you know, such as me cold calling, trying to win sales. I'm heavy on sales, you know, me running ads, you know. Once I started having the revenue to pay for the ads, of course, I would run some ads. Anything that would bring in the money, that's what I wanted to spend most of my time doing. I did not want to spend my time trying to tweak a website or tweak a flyer. I can outsource that to somebody else. All right. But all in all, I needed to figure out what my routine was. And how you going to know what your routine is if you're not in motion? Some of y'all not in motion. You're not doing nothing. That's why you can't create no system, because you're not doing anything. Another way you can do it is you can just copy off somebody else's doggone system, and you could just buy their blueprint. Because I know some people, they sell their whole blueprint, and you could just say, okay, well, I'm just going to do what this company is doing. You can do it that way too. For me, I wanted to come up with my own little stuff and do things the way I wanted to do it in the beginning. Because I feel like my clients are different from other people's clients. Like, everybody's cleaning company is a little different, you know. And for me, I decided to have Airbnbs, do move-in, move-outs, and residential. I dabbed in a little bit of everything in the beginning. I just sprinkled and I dabbed in a little bit of everything. So with that being said, that's why I decided to do things the way I did it, okay? But all in all, I had to get in motion, y'all, all right? So some of y'all ain't running with your cleaning company. You need to get up and you need to start hiring people. You're not going to be able to figure out what your system is if you don't do these things, y'all. Okay, so you got to get up. You got to start trying to hire people. You got to start cold calling. You got to start trying to find your clients. Get out there and start cleaning your units, writing your checklist, and make a video of you cleaning the unit so you can know how you properly want this stuff to be done, so that you can put it inside of a system. So that's where your brain needs to be at. If you're not documenting, you're not good at documenting your day-by-day process, you're not going to be good at creating a system, okay? So just get good with documenting everything, man. I don't know how else to explain it to you, but this is my definition of building a system in your cleaning company. Just remember, it's nothing more than just a step-by-step process on how whatever that is you're doing is getting done, and then you're going to automate it. All right? You can automate it easy. You can hire somebody to do all them steps, and then boop, you out of it. Got a system. Got a system going on, okay? So that's my time. I hope I was able to spread a little bit of light on systems for you guys. I know I can get a little deeper than that, but I ain't got that much time on my hands. Just wanted to shed some light. Hopefully, y'all could take them little nuggets and y'all could do something with it in your cleaning company, all right? I'm out of here. Peace.
Hey, everybody. Giving my testimony. I was on the Zoom call with Katrina, and we went over clients for move in, move out, and I just want to say that was the best thing that I could ever hear. She has changed me, my train of thought, everything. So I want to just keep walking with her, learning from her as a mentor, and just continue to build my business. I want to say thank you for everything you have taught me. Some of the things I have learned, some things you gave me, what could I say? You gave me clarification on. So thank you so much.
Good evening. I just want to say thank you so much to the Tenacity Cleaning Company, to Tenacity Academy. Thank you so much, Miss Tamika. Thank you so much, Miss Johnson. I had an awesome consultation the other day, and when I tell you my hope was renewed, I mean, when I got off that phone call, I literally cried. I said, God, thank you for letting me know that I'm doing the right thing. I was so encouraged just by the information that she gave. And I could tell that she actually really wanted to be a help to me. So I just want to say thank you guys so much. Keep doing what you're doing. I'm encouraged. I feel like I can keep going with this cleaning thing. I am going to keep going with this cleaning thing. And just thank y'all so much for what you're doing. God bless you.